I'm definitely an Igbo man. There's no doubt about that. I'm from Delta State in the South, but if you're looking at Igbos across the country, I'm an Igbo man. I can't be counted out, and that is a true situation.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what Senator Dr Ifeanyi Okowa said. He is right. Okowa is from our kingdom in Ika land, Delta North. Our people are Igbo people. They migrated from Nri Kingdom in Anambra State. The Obi of Owa, Obi Emmanuel Ufezomo, said that they migrated from Nri Kingdom. He said that he goes to Nri Kingdom to reconnect with them as one people that they are. Okowa have made research concerning their history, and that history proved that he is of Igbo origin. His name, Ifeanyi Okowa, shows that he is Igbo. Now, what is the meaning of that his name, Okowa? Okowa means Okolobia from Owa. Oko and Owa. Okolobia Owa. Okowa. That is the meaning of that name. Our people are of Igbo origin. Their language is Igbo language. Since the history of Owa, the language that they speak is Igbo. Owa is located in Ika land, in Anioma land, Delta State, in the South. And Okowa came out boldly and told the world that he is an Igbo man. He is not that selfish to deny his Igbo identity just to get political position. Okowa knows that the country is against the Igbos. He knows that the government of the country does not like the Igbos. But even at that, he refused to deny his Igbo identity. After everything that the Igbos are passing through in this country, he still stood his ground and identified as Igbo. This one a politician wey wise, politician wey get sense, not being wicked wey that place they disgrace himself. Wicked go think say he get sense. And the enemies of the Igbo race go see and say, this one not get sense. Me just dey mumu. That was how Asari Dokubo is telling him that he's an Igbo man, that if he like, he should deny his Igbo identity. He remains an Igbo man. Asari Dokubo they tell him. All the tribes in the country recognize Yesowike as an Igbo man, but he's busy denying his Igbo identity because of his selfish interest. Selfishness not good. Okowa refused to follow the footsteps of Yesowike, even when he's from South. He's from the South Igbo region that are denying their Igbo identity, yet he came out boldly and accepted his Igbo identity. History was removed in school because of the Igbos. Because they know say if they start to teach history on wetin we Igbos don't pass through for this country, e go dey remind us, they refresh the memory of the Igbos, say there be one people, say they suffer together and why they need to unite. If they are teaching history in school, Igbos will know that they are one people. But because they don't teach history now, many of them they deny, say they not be Igbo people. If they are teaching the right history, our people will know who they are. They will know who are their brothers. But now when they don't teach history, as we tell on this thing online, we are proving to you people, telling you that you are Igbo. How can you be speaking Igbo language and you be saying that you are not an Igbo person? How can you be doing Igbo culture and tradition and you are saying that you are not an Igbo person? So we tell you, the way we do in Ika is different from the way you people do it in the Southeast. Even in that Ika, are you people doing the same thing there? There are cultures and tradition that some Ika communities do, other Ika communities don't do it. If they do New Year festival for Ika, all Ika people they do am once, no. Some people they do their own for September, some they do their own for August. So we are doing the same thing, not mean say we go to do that in that same day like this. No, there are some things that we do as families that other people don't do. Igbo land is too big. When we say we are one people, we are saying we are one people because everything about us is the same. There's nothing like Ika language is not Igbo language. You are just deceiving yourself. You can never tell an intellectual that have sense that Ika language is a separate language from Igbo language. Any intellectual that tells you that Ika language is a separate language from Igbo language, then that person is a stark illiterate. That person does not know what he went to school to do. What is come in Ika language? Bia. In Okwane, Bia. In Enwane, Bia. In the Southeast, Bia. Come. What do we call the supreme being? Chuku. Okwane say Chuku. Ika say Chuku. Enwane say Chuku. Ikwere say Chuku. Every part of Igbo land say Chuku. So with all these similarities, someone will be telling you that guys is a separate language from the Igbo race. We are one people. When an Igbo politician say that he is not an Igbo person, he is doing it for politics. You will see a community founded by a person called Osai. They will forget that Osai is an Igbo name. They will tell you that because they migrated from Benin, that they are Benin people. Say no, Benin born them. You go see community where person where they call Ezechime farm. Some people for that will say Ezechime is a Benin prince. Ezechime come from Benin, and because of that, they are Benin people. Just imagine, people know one reason. We are Igbo people. The name of your ancestor is where you belong. If the name of your ancestor is Adewale, you be a Yoruba person. If the name of your ancestor is Ovie, you be Urobo person. If the name of your ancestor is Onyeka Chukwu, Ezechime, Abulaka, Akalaka, Ochichi, you are an Igbo person. Stop deceiving yourself. Igbo Bofu, we will never allow any propaganda to divide us. Anyama people wake up. Igwe people wake up. South Igbos wake up. Let's not allow propaganda and manipulation to divide us. Ishiewale.